In primetime news this evening, opposition demands probe as questions swirl over billion-dollar farm road program. Ministry of Education again under fire, this time over operations of the National Education Trust. And local anti-corruption watch group demands update on Petrojam scandal. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Janella, this evening we're turning the spotlight on the national minimum wage. Now, one stakeholder wants it to increase from $7,000 per week, and I'll have details in the business day.
Okay, good. From Andrea, we go to Spencer for a look at what's coming up in sports. Spencer.
Thank you very much, Herman. Well, there was a lengthy meeting between the Reggae boys and the coaching staff after Monday night's game against Guyana. What was that all about, though? We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening's question, is the news too negative? Give reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.